Hello, I'm Pluto. Today, I will introduce the first version of a game I wanted people to experience. The game named Magic Battle. It's a multiplayer game. I make it a game because I want people to experience the fun of making choice. I'm a fan of Dota 2. The essence of the Dota 2 lies in the adequate freedom of choice in the player's hands. Player can decide what they should do when they face complex situation. However, a lot of players cannot experience such fun because Dota 2 is too complex and the decision has a latent effect. Therefore, I plan to design this game with a simple skill system and make the player experience such fun. To experience this game, just open your browser and input game.plutoshare.com to open this website, and you can see the Unity window. As the text says, current Unity original networking module does not support WebGL. Currently, I am process of supporting networking module for WebGL by Circuit.io. Currently, let's use desktop version to experience this multiplayer game. Just click here and here to download this game. I am in the Mac, so I just click here to download this game. I had already downloaded this game and unzip this game. Also, I want to simulate the multiplayer processing. I just duplicate the application into three ones. Just open this application one by one. Okay, it's the game. As a host, just click play and host to create a lobby and wait other bodies to join. And find your host and click join to ready. Here you can change your name, and I change my name to DC. When everybody is ready, the game will start automatically. It's the main panel of the game. The drop-down scoreboard panel demonstrates the current status of every players. And as the pop window says, the player should stay alive or at last or earn 4,000 points to win. And as setting of this game, each player has 3 lives, and every life has 100 health. After dying, if there is a life remaining, the player will respawn on driftwood after 3 seconds. About the driftwood, I will talk about it later. The points calculation is your remaining life multiply 500 plus the sum of your remaining health per second. For example, I currently have 90 health. After 10 seconds, it will add 19 points to my current point. Just like that. You can see the effect. Besides, every player has 4 skills. The first one is Fireball. Fireball can cause 10 damage to a player, just like that. The second one is Putball. It can put a player in some distance and cause 5 damage. Third one is Blank. It could put A player could use its scale to teleport somewhere below a certain distance. The first one is Mana Shield. It can claim balls nearby to avoid its ball. Well, what's more, there are two types of terrain, driftwood and magma. In the magma, we'll undergo 5 damage per 2 seconds, just like that. And the driftwood will shrink 4 times, and finally exists only in small pieces. What I want player experience is to make them do decision and design strategy. First of all, it's about how the player uses the skills at different situations. Every skill has different effect and cooldown. When facing an upcoming damage like putball, a player could use Mana Shield or the Blink to counteract its loss. Second, a player could use a combination of your skills, like Blink and Putball, can make a long jump. I just trail a situation. You can say I make a long jump. So, but the player will suffer damage, so you need to make a choice. How player uses skills is what I want player to make. Besides, player has to make choice on their position. If the player are in the drift world, they will draw a lot of others' attention. But if they're not, they'll undergo damage from the magma. Moreover, the player has to make a strategy to win. They could stay alive, or to make others fight, or kill others quickly, or keep in good health to get more points. For example, if I'm low, I could kill myself by skills or go to the magma, but I also can keep myself alive to make myself safe. It's your strategy to win this game. If I died immediately, I will lose 500 points, but I have 100 health. It can compensate for the maybe 50 seconds. It will add 500 points. So it's the whole game. It's just the first version of the game. In the future, I'll add more different skills to help player to choose. I will add a stone to update some skills at an interval. For example, to increase the damage of fireball or decrease the cooldown duration. And add a stone, I will allow a player use some point to buy a life in the future to let player make more decisions about their point. And I will improve the UI to unify the style. So let's just finish this again. I find the blue one is near the final score, so I just make this one stay alive to make more points. And the finest one, not this guy, this one. Now he's low. I just kill him, kill himself. Oh, I make a fort. It lost 500 points, so I just switch to the red one. Current strategy can make others dead immediately. Other one is dead. I just make the blue one. Make the blue one dead. Oh, this one is dead. as just making kill himself. And the player won't win. It's the whole game. So just have fun on current version and stay tuned for the next version of this game. Thanks for watching.